Hi, this is Peter Cox with Gibbs Landscape Company. Wanted to share a really neat project we're doing for one of our clients in Buckhead. As you can see in this area, we are building a large water feature. This water feature will have 3 different spill points. Guys are up there working, as you can see. The slope right here, I know it may be hard to see on film, on camera, but this is an extremely tall slope. It's hard to work on. The client wanted to have a fabulous water feature. So when their guests pull in, the gates in the front of the property right here, they're really welcomed in with an awesome centerpiece. As you look up through the hills, our guys have started planting. We're going to make it a true garden space. This garden has been designed to be a garden for all seasons. There's a tremendous amount of flowering shrubs in here that will bloom at different times of the year. As you move over to this side, you can see how expansive the slope actually is up here. And again, we're trying to incorporate a lot of plant material that will bloom at different times. We have our Japanese maples in here for our fall color tree. We have a tremendous amount of azaleas in here, hydrangeas up into the garden space. And we will continue to plant this so this entire slope becomes a showpiece for this client when guests arrive, and they arrive home each day as well. Again, Peter Cox, Gibbs Landscape Company. Thank you so much.